Hello friends, today I am going to explain projection of solids. In that I taken 36th problem, a pentagonal pyramid 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rest on HP on one of its slant edge. Draw the projection of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to VP at 30 degree. So in that we have to take the data. First data is a pentagonal pyramid. Basically it is based on the pentagon and it is pyramid. And second data, we have to see the condition. Here it is a corner condition. Why? Because the slant edge in the second position, slant edge is resting on HP, so that you have to consider the corner condition. If the slant face is resting, we have to consider the edge conditions in first position. If in the second position slant edge, in the first position we have to consider the corner condition. If it is in the second position slant face or triangular face is resting, we have to consider the edge condition in first position. And the next data is there is no HP inclination. Instead of HP inclination, the edge is resting on HP. The edge is resting on HP in the second position. And third position, the axis is inclined to VP. So axis inclined to VP means we have to go with the locus method or beta angle method. So first you have to draw XY line and mark VP HP and go to the sketching, select the line and construct a pentagon with a continuous line and 0.5 mm. First 25 mm side, angle is 0, next 25 mm, angle is 72, next 25 mm, angle is 72 into 2, next 25 mm, angle is 72 into 3, next 25 mm, angle is 72 into 4, so that it will close the loop. So now it is a pentagon and we have to convert this pentagon into corner conditions by using option rotate, select the center point and select the rotating point and make exactly vertical. See, it is vertical. So now it is in corner condition. Just move the pentagon where you want. Okay. So next is you have to place the center point, that is by using medians. So middle of this to this corner and from this corner to middle of this. So now it is a center. On the center you have to join all the edges because it is a pyramid. Next you just remove the unwanted lines and go for the naming. Set 3.5 font size times New Roman, and this is A, here it is B, C, G and E. Here O is visible in bracket, O1 is not visible. So now project for front view. First edge, second and third, then center. So now increase, take the axis. So axis is 50, so 50 and placed. We created axis and now you have to join all the edges to the apex, so that continuous line and increase font. So from here to end of this, from hand to this end, and from here to here. So also if you want you can check, this is 50 and the edge is 25. So now go for the naming. Here A dash is visible, O dash is also visible, dash because it is a front view, and here C dash is visible in bracket D dash, and O1 dash is not visible, and here B dash visible in bracket E dash. You have to give the namings. Say like this, you have to name the coordinates, visible coordinates and hidden coordinates. It's the first position. Second position is A dash and O dash. It's the edge. This edge is completely rest on the HP. So you have to take this, go to move option, okay, and move, copy, and take this corner of this edge and placed exactly on the XY. So next is, after placing, you have to rotate, or you have to place this O dash, A dash on XY line. That is by using rotate option. It is a starting point and it is rotating point placed here. See. And after rotating, if you want, you can move this. So unclick this and move. See, now the edge A dash, O dash is resting on HP. That is what the condition is given. Slant edge is resting on HP. So next, project for top view, second position top view. So projection, this is O. Next, this it is a C dash of D dash. You have to place first, take C point, C. Next, from here so better it's a okay. Next, E dash, so here it is E and here it is D. Okay, sorry. So this is A dash here, and see here it is B, D dash and E dash. So this is E dash and here it is like this you have to place and join the edges. First A, so A to go B, B to C, C to D. Okay, so D to E and E to again close A. And here axis that you have to place. This is the axis. Okay. Now join edges. So if you see from the top, this face, the bottom face is completely visible. That's why it is I written in the continuous thick line, because all the edges A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash are visible. Next you have to join the edges to the O apex. So this edge is visible, this edge is visible, this edge is visible, and also this edge is also visible. But from here it is not visible, so make it as dotted. Make dotted. It is not visible. And also here it is a axis. From here to here, it is axis. The axis and hidden lines are merged. And go for the naming. Here it is A, here it is B, okay, here it is C, D and E. And this one is O1 and it is O. It's a visible. So next, in third position, axis is inclined, so that you just take this axis dimension. It is 46.01. So earlier it is 50, but now it is 46.01. So that in third position we should go with locus method. If the length is same, then normal method. So here the length is different in first position and second position. The axis length is different. That's why we have to go with a locus method. First by drawing the 50 mm, then draw the locus line, then cut the arc by using 46.01. That is second length position, axis length position. So here draw a line. Draw a line. So either you can tilt right side or left side, no problem. So the angle is how much? 30 degree. So here you have to 30. Sorry, that is the length. So length, whatever it may be, maybe 100. Okay. The angle is you better minus 30. So it will shift to this side. No problem. Place like this and give dimensions. The angle should be 30. That angle here line. Okay. So if you want 30 degree, so 180 plus 30, it is 210. Okay. If you want, you can check. Here it is 30. Next, for a height of 50, we draw one line. For an height 50, placed here, and draw locus. Next, go to arc. Exactly end of this, the arc length is 46.01, and cut the arc. So this has become an axis. So change to axis. This is the axis actually. If you check this inclination, that gives the beta angle. So it is of 33. Okay. So next, take the entire thing. Move option. Placed here. Next, same thing, rotate. It's a fixed point, and here it is rotating point exactly on this placed. See. And go for the front final view. If you see from in the front, this face is visible. Okay. First, to draw the visible lines. Okay. First, place A. A is here. Next, place B. So B is here. Next, C. So C is here. Next to D, D is here. Next to E, here, and finally O. It is our XY line. Okay. Trim the extra projections. Then take a line, thick line. It's a continuous. First, A is here. So A to B, join. Then B to C, join. C to D, join. D to E, join. E to A. And from here, edges you have to join. From here also there are edges, but they are not visible. That's why dotted. And finally, you have to place place the axis and change to axis. And finally give the namings. This is A dash, and B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and this one is O dash 1, and this is O dash. And after this you should show the arrow mark by using leader to show the where the projection directions. Okay. So this is how you have to construct a pentagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length, rest on HP on one of its slant edge. Draw the projection of the pyramid when the axis inclined VP at 30 degree. Okay. These are the datas, and this is how we have to construct. Thank you.